the parents, the cousins and the uncles and the aunties that are watching you.
And here today at the Mama Ngina Girls, we have 1,816 Wings to Fly scholars from Mombasa, from Taita, Taveta, from Kuria, and from Tuapa sub-county in Kilifi, because it's near where we are. These are congresses that we've been running to support our scholars, because we believe education is not just about availing classroom teaching and training and the resources that are required for the kids to be in school, but also to impact skills of empowerment and leadership. And hence our theme of this Congress of educate, empower, lead. And that's the triad of success. And we believe that if our scholars are able to get the education that they're getting in school, if they are empowered, they can also empower their communities. And those two ingredients then can help them succeed in their leadership journey. So this is an education and a leadership program where we are creating future leaders.
Child who is empowered will be able to withstand the storms of life, and this child will be able to make informed choices, and more so we are teaching, there's a lot of information on leadership, so that we will have children who know what they are doing. They are leaders of tomorrow, and this is the best time you can be able to empower these children. So we really want to appreciate the organizers of this Congress, the Equity Foundation, the partners, and the ministry, even for organizing this Congress, so that our children can be able to benefit.
Na ripoti